Hey Beth, did you hear about the virus that hit Bill's computer?
Yeah, it's a shame. It shut his whole system down. I just hope they get his computer up and running soon. It would be a shame if he wasn't able to do his work all day.
What? I'd be glad to not have to stare at that screen for the rest of the day. Bill hopes his computer doesn't come back up until tomorrow.
Well, I'd go crazy if I couldn't get back to my work.
Why? You got a big project to work on?
Yeah, Facebook.
Wow Beth, you're a real workaholic.